Hi, I'm Taylor Shewchuk, and today, October 8th, in leadership class of the rec, we went and we did the Giants ladder. And I was a leader for today, so I didn't actually climb the ladder, but I talked with the groups before they went up to see what their game plan was and to kind of help them get organized. And then I gave instructions and encouragement while they were climbing and kind of helped them get through it, because it's kind of hard when you're doing it to see the bigger picture, but being on the ground and being able to see all three of the people, I felt that I could offer some suggestions on how they could better get up to the next wooden rung. And it was kind of hard for me at the beginning because not being climbing myself and not going up there, I wasn't exactly sure, how difficult it was, kind of the problems with it, that it moved a little bit and stuff. So when I was giving suggestions and kind of telling them what to do, I didn't take that into account as much, which I probably should have. And I think that after today, I think that we were successful in the climbing, and the feedback I received is that sometimes I just need to think of the way that I'm saying things, and not just tell people what to do, but kind of offer just kind of some support and encouragement sometimes, and not just say like, this is what you need to do, but rather like, hey, how about you try this? So working on the delivery is definitely something that I will take away from this, and that's something that I've heard before. And I mean, that's something, it's like kind of hard to fix, because when you're in the moment, you're like, okay, if you just do this, like I'm telling you, listen to me, if you do this, you'll get it. But just listening to how I'm saying things is probably something that I need to work on. And also just being on the ground, when I was looking up there, I was like, no, it's so easy, just do this. But I guess being up in the air, it's a little bit harder to be like, oh, okay, let me just do this. And that's what people had said, was like, it sounds so easy, but it's actually really hard to do when you're up there. So taking that into account as well is just like what other people's situation is when you're giving them suggestions and telling them what to do. Just to take that into account as well is something that I'll take away from this.